The PAMU Nano is the newest earbud from PADMATE. It comes with a brand new design and packs some serious features under the hood. Let's first start with the price. On PADMATE's official website, you will see that they are currently being sold for just $49. But what do you get for that much money? Well, out of the box you get a small USB-C charging cable, a booklet, a faux leather pouch to carry the earbuds in, and a whole array of ear tips of different types. One type is your regular ear tips and another one is the deep type. This new one basically goes a lot deeper in your ear canals than the regular ear tips. So in theory, they should provide better fit and better sound. But more on that a bit later, because first I want to talk about a little bit about the design. The shape of the earbud is very authentic and for me it totally worked. It took me a good minute to realize how to wear them properly, but once I did, they fit perfect on my ears. They sit flush on my ears and looks very good. The whole earbud is made out of plastic and has a glossy matte finish which is consistent with the finish of the charging case. Now, this is the smallest case that PAMU has ever built. My biggest complaints about their previous models were that their case were too big to carry around in the pockets, but that is not going to be a problem anymore with the Nano. And another good thing is that the magnets holding the earbuds inside the case are very strong. They survived all my jerk tests, so that is good to see. And also the magnets holding the top of the case is also very strong. Just see that it doesn't open or anything like that. So this gives me the confidence to say that the earbuds will not accidentally drop out of the case, which reduces the risk of losing them. And now let's talk about comfort. The PAMU Nano earbuds are super light, so you will have no wear fatigue if you have them on the ears for a long period of time. Plus the ear tips that I showed you before, they really help with comfort and fit. I took them out for a walk and not once did I have to fix their positions. They stayed on my ears like glue and felt very nice throughout. My recommendation to you would be that you try out all the sizes of the ear tips that comes in the box to figure out which one fits your ears the best. In that way, not only will you get a good and secure fit, you will also get some good passive noise cancellation as well as better sound delivery. Anyways, now let's move on to the battery life of the PAMU Nano. Official timelines are that the earbuds will last 6 hours on a single charge, and with the case, you will get a total of 21 hours of charge. But this depends on how you use your headphones, of course, so your experience may vary with the others. And in terms of control, you only get touch controls with the Nano. I could pause or play songs, increase or decrease volume levels, or skip a track forward, but I could not skip a track backward though, and every time I tried to do that, I accidentally called Siri. But other than that, all the controls works pretty well. But when it comes to connectivity, the PAMU Nano has a surprise up its sleeve. It can support aptX codec, so if you are an audiophile, you will really enjoy this feature. Also, this supports AAC as it connects with my iPhone, but I have not tested with any other device to confirm if it supports other codecs like LDAC or SBC, because there is nothing on their website as well. But my guess is it will work with Android too, as that is a very basic requirement nowadays, and I will be shocked if it did not. Now for the main question, how is the sound quality? Well, to sum it up quickly, I would say that it is okay. The sound does not crackle in high volume levels, which is good. It can also produce the same amount of fidelity or preciseness on different volume levels as well. I personally like a bass forward headphone, which they are not by the way, but they are good nevertheless. The voice and the mids are on point, but the treble does lack a little bit of edge. PAMU does mention on their website that this is their best sounding earbud till date, which might be true as I did not get to do a side-by-side comparison with their older earbuds, but from what I have heard thus far, it was very impressive for a $50 earbud. And when it comes to taking calls, the PAMU Nano is decent as well. Here's a sample of audio I recorded earlier. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And now let's talk about features. I think you will love the IPX6 rated water resistance rating. You can pretty much take a shower with these guys and they will work just fine. Plus they offer wireless charging, so it is very convenient to recharge the Nano's case. But what it is missing is noise cancellation and the ability to use only one earbud at a time. So overall, I think the PAMU Nano is a unique looking headphone which is quite an upgrade from their existing line of earbuds. You get IPX6 rated water resistance, wireless charging and 20+ hours of battery life in a very small package. If you are in the market for a budget pair and don't mind not having noise cancellation, then I think you can seriously consider buying these guys. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.